In this program, we're going to learn about biomagnification. What is biomagnification? Biomagnification is the increasing concentration of a substance in the tissues of organisms from one link in a food chain to another. Here's an example of biomagnification. Mercury is a toxic chemical. It is released into the environment through natural processes like volcanic activity and pollution from power plants and mining. When mercury gets into bodies of fresh or salt water, it often changes into the compound methylmercury. Methylmercury is easily absorbed by organisms. In the ocean plankton, krill and other small organisms living in the water take up methylmercury and retain the chemical in their body's tissue. The mercury concentrations are higher in the krill than in the surrounding environment. Bioaccumulation occurs in the krill's body. Bioaccumulation is the buildup of a chemical in a living organism. Toxins enter the food chain through bioaccumulation. As larger animals eat the smaller organisms, they ingest their prey's stored methylmercury. This persistent pollutant is transferred up the food chain faster than it is broken down or excreted. Because of this, animals that are higher on the food chain have higher levels of mercury than they normally would have. With increasing trophic levels, mercury levels are amplified. That is why biomagnification is also referred to as bioamplification. Areas with higher levels of toxins like methylmercury have adverse effects on wildlife and humans too. For example, varieties of seabirds have experienced reproductive effects that include lowered hatchability rates, lowered weight of eggs, and thinning of the eggshell. Other substances containing pesticides, such as pesticides used in the farming of vegetables and fruits, are also biomagnified.